Yo, what's good, guys? Back again for another video, and in this video we are going to be looking at the outlook for the markets this week. So I'm going to be sharing what I'm seeing for the week, and I'm going to post it all in my Telegram channel, my free Telegram channel. So make sure you click the link in the description, join the channel, see the trades I'm going to take, and possibly make some bank out of it. Let's go. What are we looking at right now? What is actually happening? What is price doing? We can see that price is going up. Price is making a move to the upside, and obviously you want to follow that move. So we are in an uptrend, and in this kind of trend we want to be looking for buys, and that is exactly what I am doing, trying to look for buys. And if I zoom in quickly, you see what I'm seeing. So I'm going to go down to the 30-minute time frame, so you can see my setup right here. So this is my demand zone. This rectangle marked here is my demand zone. You can see it written now. So I'm aiming for this demand zone, and when price gets here, I'm going to be looking to buy. This is my point of interest. This is where I'm interested in taking a trade from. And if you see here, there are two areas of liquidity. Let me get my crosshair. Alright, two areas of liquidity. So this is one. After this push for my demand zone, what the price do? Price went up aggressively, came back for a pullback, but didn't just come all the way to tap into this demand, right? Instead it kept going up. So that is to show that buyers are moving up from here. Buyers moved up. See the way the price pushed. See this very big candle right now. That's to show that there were strong buyers in this market, and most of their stop losses are here. Same thing in this position. Price came down a little bit, went up with a very powerful candle, bullish candle, and so many buyer stops are here. So if price should come down, break these lows, we've gotten some liquidity. And what is liquidity? Liquidity is actually fuel, right? It's when market takes money from traders, or when traders put money into the market. So if market takes or sweeps these lows, it has given me an inducement, right? This right here now is even a form of liquidity, because you see bullish candles right now from this low is to show that money was put into the market at that point. That's why I'm aiming at these lows for markets to break, because there's liquidity lying there, there is money lying there, orders are lying there, and I need that liquidity so that it will give me extra confidence for this my trade, right? So that is it for gold. I have just two setups because there's actually nothing much I'm seeing. So let's get to the other setup. I'm looking at USDJPY. Let's go. Actually zoom out, you see that USDJPY, we are overall, I would say, downtrend, right? But currently we are actually moving up. Right now. You see, let's start from here. Market made this lower high, lower low, right? Lower low, right? And market made this high that they actually break this previous high. If you see right here, they actually break this previous high, right? And it went down till it actually broke out. You can see it actually broke out, right? And now we have seen a change in trend, and we are prevailing to the upside. So you can see now that market is actually bullish. But then it has reached this stage and is just consolidating. You can see what market is doing. Is ranging in a particular zone. Is going up and down, but still actually in an uptrend formation. But market isn't moving much, just basically inside a 2 trend line range, which is actually called the channel. So market is just moving inside that channel. And I also have a demand zone down here. If I go down to, let's say, the 30 minutes, you see my demand zone. So if I go down to the 30 minutes, you see my demand zone. Now, what is actually, let me put this demand zone in layman terms, okay? So demand zone is the first opposite candle before a significant push in the markets, right? There's actually a gray candle, right? A gray candle before this big massive blue candle. before this big massive blue candle, and so you can see that this small gray candle is opposite to the blue candle, and that is actually my demand zone. Now there is more to it, that's why I just say in layman terms there's actually more to it, but I'm actually putting it the simplest way I know how to put it. But we can actually dive more into it. If you want to know more about demand and supply, please do well to leave your comments. I'll get into that. So that is basically it for the week. I can actually see more potential trades, but let's see as the week goes. So this is basically what I'm looking for price to do, what I'm expecting price to do. Price can always keep going higher and not come to my zone, right? Price can always keep going higher and not come to my zone. So actually a crazy risk reward trade can actually be done. It's actually validated and I'm actually confident in it. I have my reasons for aiming this high and actually letting the risk reward be this way. So let's see what the market does. I'll keep you guys updated. If you want to see more about these trades, the way I trade, join the free Telegram, link in the description. And yeah, let's see how the week goes, guys. Basically just these two setups I'm looking at for the week. So yeah, let's go. Yo, if you stuck to the end of the video, guys, don't forget to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, smash it, and also drop a comment if there's anything you didn't understand in the video. Don't forget to join the free Telegram, link in the description, so you can see these trades I'm going to take part in them and also possibly make some bank, because we're looking to make money this week. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Catch you in the next one.